Hello, you're watching Riddles Zone. Today I will ask you some riddles. You have to give the correct answer of each riddle. First riddle is a man has three items, a goat, lion, and a heap of grass. He has to take all of three items to port B in a boat. How can he will safely take these three items to port B? Let's see the image first that will clear this riddle. This is port A and this is the port B. He has to take all the items to port B. If only he take the heap of grass, tiger will eat the goat. If he only take the tiger, goat will eat the heap of grass. And now you have 10 seconds to solve this riddle. Your time starts now. Your time is out. If you don't have an answer, just pause the video and take more time to think. Second riddle is which tank will fill first? See the image to clear this riddle. You have 10 seconds to solve this riddle. Your time starts now. Third riddle, which one will die? Let's see the image to clear this riddle. If you know all the answers, comment below. Thanks for participating. Comment below if you want more riddles like that. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video.